Assalamualaikum. I am Gulnaz with your own channel Learn English at Home. Today we'll talk about apostrophe and its use. First of all, we'll see what is apostrophe. Apostrophe is a small punctuation mark placed after noun to show that the noun owns something or to indicate the missing letters. Apostrophe indicates possession or it indicates contraction. First of all, we see possessive apostrophe. Possessive apostrophe is used with singular nouns, plural nouns, and with abbreviations. With singular nouns, it is used to indicate that something belongs to something or someone. Look at this sentence. The car's windscreen is foggy. In it, car is a singular noun, so we put after car apostrophe and s. With proper nouns that end in s, it is recommended to add apostrophe s. Look at these sentences in it. We use proper noun. Doris's new haircut is charming. Doris end at s, but we put apostrophe after s. If we don't put apostrophe s, then it is also correct. If we say Doris' new haircut is charming, it is also correct. Mr. Jones' new dog is very furious. If we say Mr. Jones' new dog is very furious, then this sentence is also correct without apostrophe. With that plural nouns that ends in s, only we add apostrophe to the end of the word, but we don't put s. Look at these three sentences. The first is the two species habitats are very different. We don't put s after apostrophe. We just put species and apostrophe. My parents' house is just round the corner. Don't throw the kids' toys. These three words are plural species, parents, and kids. So we don't put s after apostrophe in these sentences. The same rule is applied to the proper plural noun that ends with s. This sentence is example of this rule. The United States military budget is far larger than any other countries. The United States is a proper plural noun. So we don't put s after apostrophe in this sentence. If plural nouns doesn't end in s, then we add apostrophe s like singular nouns. The children's toys were broken. Pollen's harmful effects are well known. Because these plural nouns are different from those plurals which end at s. Don't use an apostrophe for abbreviations. The CEOs of each department meet annually. You and your friend have similar IQs. In these sentences, we don't put apostrophe after CEO and IQ. We just put C. We just put S, CEOs, and IQs. Possessive pronouns don't take an apostrophe. For example, mine, yours, her, his, our, theirs, its. We don't put apostrophe with these words. Joint possession. In joint possession, when multiple nouns jointly own one noun, so an apostrophe is added after the last noun only. Davis and Alice's car needs service. Tom and Jerry's trip was amazing. In these sentences, we put apostrophe after second noun. David and Alice's car need service because the car belongs to David and Alice both. And so, trip is also related to Tom and Jerry both. So we say Tom and Jerry's trip was amazing. We put apostrophe S with Jerry only. When multiple nouns individually own other nouns, an apostrophe is added after all of the nouns. Davis and Alice's car need service because the cars of David and Alice are separate. So we put apostrophe with both these nouns. Tom's and Jerry's trip was amazing. The trips of Tom and trip of Jerry are two different trips. Both are amazing. Now we'll talk about contraction. In contraction, it is used as a place of missing letters. I am is changed into I am. So we put apostrophe after I and in it A is skipped. You are is changed into your, he is changed into his, she is changed into she's. It is changed into its. We are changed into we are. They are changed into they are. Now we'll talk about negative words. Do not change into don't. Does not change into doesn't. Cannot change into can't. In can't, we skipped two letters N and O. And in place of these two letters, we put apostrophe. Could not change into couldn't. Should not change into shouldn't. Will not change into won't. In won't, spellings are changed. These are different from will not. Shall not change into shan't. I have is changed into I have. In I have, two letters are skipped. A and A. I had is changed into I. I would is also changed into I. I will or I shall is changed into I. I hope you have understood the use of apostrophe. If you have understood it very well, then like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for next video. Allah Hafiz.